Well, what can I say? I escaped. Good for you. Riding on the how is it in English? Not his line. Road signs are not for this driver. He's just going like he wants to, just in wrong direction. Okay. I escaped home because there are kids and they are everywhere and they are loud. And then they say that they are driving already for 40 years and so on. But why they behave so strange on the road? Okay, so I came to my car to shoot some videos for my vlog. So let's go ahead. Very nice. Hi there, in every vlog I show you a part of my daily life. This way you can know me better, to see from different sides, to watch my changes and gains. So let's go ahead. This is a bit of my morning routine. Well, first of all, I get a glass of water in the morning after waking up, then practice vacuum in the stomach for my belly, stretch my body a little bit. And sometimes I go jogging, but frankly speaking, I don't do it regularly. I can't say I'm so fond of it, but I know that I have to do it, and I feel much better and more full of energy than when I don't do jogging. So yesterday, before going to sleep, I just made my plan for next day, for today, and I just noticed that doesn't matter if you feel awful or you don't feel awful, you go to run. And I did it. Good for me. Yeah, great. Good job. I forgot about my mic, but I checked the sound and I can see that the sound is rather good, loud, and even I think better than through this mic I have. But I'm waiting for my new one. I hope it will I will get it soon, and it must be much better. This strange driver is leaving finally, I hope. Very strange moves, I must say. Okay. Elite taxi. Well, elite taxi, but the driver is not elite at all. Yeah, why not to stand on the walk cross? Very strange. Okay, let's go further. I'm just on my way back to my consistent workouts. I'm gonna train at home and outside and want to see how it will work for me. I used to work out in the gym before, and I don't want to prolong my gym membership because I understood that I don't like it. The gym itself, the attitude of personal administration to clients, and I just didn't get that inspiration and satisfaction I used to get before when I worked out in gyms. In my opinion, if you go to the gym or some place to work out and feel uncomfortable when you force yourself to do workout, it's a bad sign. You should think what is wrong and what you can and should change to feel good and inspired with the thoughts of workout and the workout itself. That's why I decided to try to work out at home. I will work out at home and outside, and we'll see how it will work for me. Besides, I want to produce my own exercise system for different muscle groups in order to create a training course for my clients. I worked as a gym coach for several years and had experience of distance training as well. I wouldn't like to go back to my coaching practice in the gym, but distance training is attractive to me. Well, today is Saturday. I came for some shopping to buy some things for my friend who is in the front line now. So it's getting cold at night and so on. So she asked me to buy some warm clothes for her and something else. So let's go for shopping. Where is my car? Here it is. Yeah, sometimes it happens with me that I can't find my car on parking. Parking what? Park in the yard? Parking place. So dirty can, need to clean it. Wait a minute. Better. Well, I've got, this is my jacket. I've got some stuff I was looking for my friend, and spent more money than I was expecting. Oh my God, save me please from this. I also got stickers for my kids. I'll show you now. Some necklaces for myself. I don't know why did I took it, but I liked it. And frankly speaking, for a long time wanted some cheap chain and also earrings. And also got some panties for myself and my friend. So lots of people. I was going to go for shopping yesterday, but as I'm a lazy butt, yesterday I finally didn't come out, and I knew that it will happen today, that here will be lots of people, because every weekend lots of people in malls. I knew about this, and just be smarter on next time. Come on working days. And now I'm going to McDonald's to have some snack. It will be kind of lunch in McDonald's, why not? And I'm a little bit tired, frankly speaking, and I'm more tired not of the shopping indeed, but because of lots of people don't like to be in a crowd. By the way, let's try it, why not? Why to wait? Okay, which one? Here are two of them. That's good. I have a choice. My door when I have a choice. So this one. Look nice and gentle. And another one is more gentle. Is it necklace? So short. Okay, let's try. Oh, it's shorter, much shorter. Oh, so sweet and so cute. Agree? Maybe to change earrings. Which one do you like? Ні, дякую. І вам також. It's kids. It's kids, but I have nothing to give them. I wanted to give them some money. Just they are going and wash the how is it called? Where is the light is coming out in the car? You understood? Or front glass. But I said no, because I don't need it. I just wanted to give them some money, like if they do it, like if they did it. But I spent it all them for water. Do you love this one or this one? Okay, I think it will be good, this one, if to leave this necklace. I will get this with such a milk applied. My English is wonderful, I know, guys. And in just a couple of minutes, I changed my look. Nice. I like it. I want to make it a bit longer if it's possible. Looking good. I love it. Well, we'll get them here. We'll have a water. I have water in the car just because I bought it before going for shopping, but usually it's not a good thing to leave the water in plastic bottles in your car because of heat. Plastic can produce bad things, not very bad for your health, so don't do this. And by the way, till I remember, I wanted to take this thing out of here. This one, you know, it's also dangerous. I'm not smoking cigarettes, but it was here already for a long time, and I want to take it away from here because it's also not safety to leave these things in the car when it's in hot times, when it's hot. Or even can get 2 necklaces. It also will good look, I think. It's a good way to change your look quickly and not spend lots of time or lots of money for it, because it was costing me around $6, kind of, yes, like 5.5. It's dropped between the chair and the car. My God, I don't like when something is dropping there, like money or something else. I got it. It is here. Okay. Where is my small bottle of water? Yeah, it is here. My size. My size. The water is the most tasty, the tastiest drink, I guess, especially when you are thirsty or when you are working out and feeling thirsty too. So let's go for lunch. I invite you. It's McDonald's. Well, I really wanted to eat inside the McDonald's, but lots of people there too, just almost no places, so I decided just to get these yummies and to eat in the car. So I don't mind. Always like to have meal in a company of a good person. Well, I got dips potato with a dark blue sauce, cola without ice, and schmack. And some cherry pie for dessert, my favorites. I will appreciate it if you subscribe and share with your friends who are interested. Well, I will appreciate it if you will subscribe and share with your friends who are interested in videos of the kind and sport theme. Besides, I'm going to post my workout videos on my English language Instagram, so you're welcome. In the next video, I'm going to read tarot cards for you. It will be the forecast for the new moon for representatives of every zodiac sign. So activate the bell not to miss new videos. See you soon. Have a nice day. Believe in yourself, in your power. Hugs and kisses.
Hello there. This is how we wake up every morning. Staying in bed for cuddles and kisses.